everyone, hope you all are doing well. I am Muskan Churasia. I completed my graduation and post-graduation from Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. I want to share my journey, why I want to become a commerce educator. So this journey began when I was in class +1. I start studying commerce concept and I realized commerce is so vast. It is not just a stream. It is so vast. We can study it everywhere. We can learn it from everywhere. We can learn the small terms from everywhere, from our surrounding, from our house, from our business, from our economy, everywhere. So each and every theory of commerce explained so beautifully in books and teachers explain it so beautifully. But when I start self-study, I realize each and every terminology can be split in two terms, and the meaning of two terms combined, we will get the meaning of terminology. This is so beautifully explained, and I realize this technique should be shared to many more students so that they cannot so that they can learn it easily, so that they not stuck on standard definition. That was the only source why I want to become commerce educator. So there at that time I start providing commerce home tuition to many more students. That motivates me a lot. I started my home tuition in 2018. From that particular time till today I am having 4-year experience. So today I will teach you the topic, what is the meaning of accountancy. So first we will talk about the meaning of accountancy. Accountancy is the body of knowledge prescribed certain rules and principles of recording the transaction, classifying the transaction, summarizing the transaction. It means accountancy includes everything. Accountancy includes accounting plus bookkeeping. So accountancy provides you the rules and principles. Like whole accountancy is based on double entry system. It means there are two sides, debit side and credit side. Each and every transaction have two effects. First one on debit side and another one on credit side. If first one on credit side, then another one on credit side, so that balance will create. First it records the transaction, recording in journals or subsidiaries. Journals, if our business is limited, then we will record each and every transaction in journals, because limited transactions are entered, otherwise that will be so lengthy, because a journal is maintained in single book. If our business is so large and our transactions are so large or unlimited, then we will directly go to subsidiary books. Subsidiaries are the books, and we will record every transaction there. If we did cash transaction, we will record in cash book. If we did credit transaction, we will record in these books. Purchase book, if we did purchase, we will add in purchase book. If we did sales, we will add in sales book. Purchase return, sale return, bills receivable, bills payable will be as same as that. If we talk about recording, these two parts are the part of recording. These 2 points are the part of recording. Recording includes journals and subsidiaries. Then we will talk about classification. Classification means recording the transaction which is recorded should have its separate place. Separate place means account, and account is also known as ledger. If we talk about classification, then classification will be ledger account. We will enter each and every transaction at separate place, which is known as account. We will put every transaction on ledgers. Then we will try to balance these transactions. If our trial balance is equal, then we will proceed to next one. Then we go to summarizing. Summarizing means to present the recording or classifying the transaction in that particular manner, so that can be easily understandable to the management or the users. First we will enter in trading account, and then we will make P&L account, then we will make balance sheet. Only these particular books of account will be mentioned or will be shown to management or the users of business. अगर हमें अपनी बुक्स ऑफ अगर हमारे को किसी यूजर को दिखाना है अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की बुक्स, तो हम क्या दिखाएंगे? ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट दिखाते हैं, P&L अकाउंट दिखाते हैं और बैलेंस शीट दिखाते हैं। इट मीन्स ये जब भी हम ट्रेडिंग, P&L और बैलेंस शीट बनाएं तो ये जो होता है वो हमारे पूरी की पूरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के प्रॉफिट्स को एक्सप्लेन करता है। और हमें अगर अपनी मैनेजमेंट को एक्सप्रेस करना है अपनी ट्रांजेक्शन्स या यूजर्स को, तो हम ट्रेडिंग, P&L और बैलेंस शीट बनाते हैं और बैलेंस शीट के थ्रू लोगों को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं। Then we will go to journal. This is known as accounting cycle, and the whole process is mentioned in recording, classifying and summarizing. This is the part of summarizing. Summarizing means how we will present the data, the transaction of our organization to the management or the users. So this is the meaning of accountancy, and accountancy include whole this accounting cycle. If you get the lecture, so please share your views, and thank you, and thanks for connecting with us. Thank you.